Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into efficiently checking if an array is empty or null, or equivalent conditions, in various programming languages, along with considerations for performance and best practices. This tutorial will cover common languages and scenarios. The problem: why checking for empty/null arrays matters. In virtually all programming, working with arrays, or their language-specific equivalents like lists, vectors, etc., is fundamental. Before you attempt to access an array's elements, perform operations on it, or pass it to a function, you must verify it's in a valid state. Here's why. Null reference exception, or equivalent. Attempting to use a null array will result in a runtime error. This crashes your program or causes